Hello guys, this is Rose, Freddy Filipinos America Blog. Today's date is June 16, 2023, Friday. I am going to take up today is with the Marhalika Wealth Fund, or betterly known as Marhalika Investment Fund. By the way, what is an investment fund? It's been defined as the asset that you got like part of our savings, or a certain small amount of our income on a daily or a monthly income or a yearly income being set aside, small portion, about 10%, 5%, whatever you want, or even $100 at a start. And you can invest it in a investment fund. Whatever type of investment fund, you could be sure that you could expect something at the end of a certain term, like what I did while I was there in the Philippines when I worked in the PLDT, Philippine Long Distance Telephone Company, where the company offer a common stock for us at employees rate. I invest 1,500 Philippine peso for installment deducted to my salary, 1,500 for 3 years. At the end of the term, I wait for the stocks to grow. About 3 months, I started at 1,500 and sell it to 51,000 Philippine peso. Just imagine that. You cannot feel that your money is growing by that. And if you don't sell it, you're going to receive a dividend check or a dividend paycheck coming from the stock that you invested in PLDT. Like PLDT, there are times that when I was in PLDT, the stocks went up, went down. So I just waited for the time to the stock, the shares of stock went up, and then I decided to sell it at 51,000 Philippine peso. The cost of it is asset minus cost. The cost is about the maintenance of your stock. They are going to deduct it, and the net is 51,000 Philippine peso. Just imagine that. Almost I earn about 50,000 Philippine peso for 3 years that I did pay. Okay, so that's a good thing about investment fund. It's not exactly that you are going to lose it. There are times that it is going up or going down. You are not going to sell it at its lower price. You're going to sell it at a higher price, and investors are coming there in the Philippines to invest. Foreign investment, which makes sure that they want to make sure that their money is intact. If they are not going to sell it, they are going to receive a dividend check. They're going to issue a dividend check, and that is what we call an investment fund, in which and you could sell it on a trading day. It will be an asset minus costs. An asset minus cost, guys. An asset minus cost. And let's talk about the Marhalika Investment Fund. The Marhalika Investment Fund settled for from the seed capital of 275 Philippine peso, and it landed to 175 billion pesos, with the exception because originally it was the sources of it will be coming from pension fund of the Social Security and Government Service Insurance System. But these were removed in the plenary or in the revised bill of the Congress. But the sources of the fund management company will be coming from the financial institution of the government, like the Land Bank of the Philippines and Development Bank of the Philippines. Okay, that's a good thing of investment fund. The president is right, most especially with the full support of his son, Congressman Sandro Marcos, who is an economic consultant there in United Kingdom before he goes back to the Philippines as a congressman. So that's it. So there is nothing wrong to worry about. Anyway the pension plan of both the Social Security and GSIS, the source of its fund or the pension fund is diverted or being invested in this kind of fund management. Like in, I will say that like me, I'm a retired PLDT, and now the sources of our pension fund is coming from PLDT by TV5. The income that they derive from investment or to an investment in the operating and investing in TV5 is one of the sources of PLDT pension fund. The same with GSIS and Social Security. They invested the pension fund to other fund management, and that's how they grow. Just imagine, let your money work for you and not you work for your money. Okay? That's so simple as that. So those are the critics of the Marhalika investment fund should study about this content. Okay, and at the same time, I will tell you that you could sell your investment. If you go to an investment fund, you could sell it on a trading day. The trading day is Monday to Friday. You could sell it anything. If you decided to sell it, then you contact your agency, the one who is managing your investment fund, like the one I did at the Makati Stock Exchange or Philippine Stock Exchange. Okay, when I decided, I just pick up the phone. Hello, I would like to sell my shares of stock, common shares of stock. That's it. So easy. You wait for about 2 to 3 days, and you get the money. Check. Okay, it's cashable anytime that you want. So this is your host, Freddy Filipinos America blog. I hope that you will be enlightened with this simple, but you could also go to several websites of how fund management or the Marhalika investment fund works. Okay, it is being welcome, and this Marhalika investment fund was taken by the President BBM during his state visit to European Union in Brussels, Belgium, and it is being welcomed by different European countries, and perhaps they are going to make an investment because the Philippines is now one of the fastest economy in the world. Okay, if this information I share to you, if you are comfortable and you are enlightened, please gives me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel and give your comment, whether it is English or Filipino, Visayan like Ilonggo or Cebuano. You can do it, or Waray. Okay, I understand it. Thank you very much. This is your host, Freddy Filipinos America blog. Never hold your peace. In God we trust. Okay, till next time.